Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create an autoresponder for any email address that you've created or have not yet created. All that you need to do is log into your cPanel, then click on autoresponders in the mail section. Once you have that open, then you can click on add autoresponder, and here you'll start creating the autoresponder. From the top of the list, you've got interval, or at least you've got character set. Now this you really don't need to change, so you can leave that as UTF-8. Now the next option is interval. Now this is how often you want the email to be sent out. So if you set the interval to 8 hours, then if somebody sends you an email at 1 p.m., they'll receive an autoresponder, and then if they send another one at 3 p.m., they're not going to receive another autoresponder until at least after 9 p.m. So if they send another email after 9 p.m., then they'll receive an autoresponder, another autoresponse that you've sent up here. But anything within 8 hours, they won't receive another autoresponse. So we can set, let's say, 2 hours here, and then we need to set it for which email address. So let's put it for replies at, and then the domain address, and now you've got the from field. Now this is the name that's going to appear when the person receives the autoresponder. Now here I'm just going to type in autoresponder. You can type in any name that you would prefer. If it's this is a response to a person's email address, and you can put that person's name in here. Then the subject, you can put here anything that you would like. I'm going to put in the following. Now you'll see at the top here it gives you some variables. Now there's the percentage subject percentage means that it's going to take the subject from the email that it's received and put that where I've got that variable percentage subject percentage. So if the subject is 12345, then they'll receive an autoresponse with the subject autoresponse RE:12345. Then comes the message of the autoresponse. Now you can enable an HTML if you want to create an HTML autoresponder. Otherwise you can just leave it as plain text and enter in your message here. Now another feature that you have here is the from field. Now this is whatever name displays on the email that that was received. So if the name on the email is Hank Lombard, then the message that will be sent back will say, "Hello, Hank Lombard," in this example that I have here. The last two settings is the start and stop settings. Now here you can select to have it start immediately and never end, or if you need it for an out of office response, then you can set a specific day and time when this autoresponder should be active and when it should complete. So we can set it for the 29th till the 30th. And then once you've set all the settings that you would like, you just click on create. And then there you have your autoresponder. If you do need to edit it, you can always go back into the autoresponder section and click on edit. If you do need to delete it though, then you can also click on delete over here.